In order to install your dispenser, you'll need to have on hand the following: a level, pencil, 4 fasteners, 4 anchors, and a drill. Each Tork 93T dispenser comes individually packed with a key taped to the back of the unit. First, determine the position of the unit on the wall. Be sure to follow the recommended ADA guidelines. Use a level to ensure it's installed correctly, which will aid in proper dispensing. Through the holes at the back of the unit, use the pencil to mark the spots where you'll be drilling. Drill the holes and insert the anchors. Attach your dispenser using the mounting hardware and complete the installation. To refill the 93T Tork dispenser, insert the key and turn it to open the front cover. The funnel door should be in the closed position. Push the funnel door to the left to open the funnel. Clear away any pieces of towel from inside the dispenser and funnel. Remove the core from a new roll of Tork Centerfeed towel. Set the roll in the dispenser and insert the towel through the opening in the funnel. Make sure the towel is completely in the funnel so it will not be pinched between the door and funnel when closed. Close the funnel door and start to shut the cover. Make sure before you snap the cover shut that the towel is not pinched between the cover and the dispenser housing. The setting for the opening of the funnel can be found on the bottom of the dispenser. The key for the cover can also be used to turn the adjustment screw. To increase the opening size and the setting number, turn the screw clockwise. To decrease the opening size and the setting number, turn the screw counterclockwise. Adjust the funnel setting so the dispenser is set at an opening size which provides enough resistance that each towel breaks at the perforation.